Today's video is about inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix and a 3 by 3 matrix. For a 2 by 2 matrix, elements can be written as T, I, J. I is the row number and J is the column number. So you get this. This is the general form for a matrix. How to find the inverse of this matrix? A to the negative first power. First of all, find this one. Then you will get a matrix this. The last step, you will use the determinant of the matrix, and also we got for step 2, we can get the inverse of a matrix. For 2 by 2 matrix, you can remember this is the one. I will show you how do we get this. We know for A, B, and C, D. Say the determinant of T11, it will be D. Yeah, this one is D. For the B part, it will be C. That's negative C. Then for T21, this will be B, negative B. And for this D, it will be A. So you get D, negative C, negative B, and A. Then when you write down the inverse, remember this T11, T22 still stay, but these two, they need to switch. Therefore, I can write down it's 1 over determinant of A. You will get this. DA stay. But for negative B and a negative C will be switched. For 2 by 2 matrix, just remember this formula. Let's figure out the inverse matrix of this example. You will get first step, we will figure out the determinant. That will be 9 minus negative 2 equals 11. Therefore, for inverse of A equals 1 over 11. We will switch 3, 3. It's still 3, 3. But we will get the negative, which means the opposite of negative 1 will be 1. Opposite of 2 will be negative 2. Therefore, the inverse will be, for every single element, you need to multiply by 1 over 11. So we have 3 over 11, 1 over 11, negative 2 over 11, and 3 over 11. This will be the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. Figure out the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. Still, you need to figure out this. Remember, as long as it's not a diagonal line, it will be negative. After you get this one, you need to switch this. These two switch. These two switch. These two switch. So you get this. Then you multiply by 1 over determinant of A. This will be your answer. Look at this example. This is a 3 by 3 matrix A. First of all, we need to figure out the determinant of this A. So we will do this. This is a 12. Add 6. Add 3. This way, you will get the minus negative 4. minus negative 27, then minus 2. So you have 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 27 minus 2. You will get the 50. Then let's go to this number 2, these steps. First of all, remember for diagonal line, it will be a positive. Then if it's not on the diagonal line, it will be negative. So we get something like this. Put the sign first. This is a positive or negative. Positive. As long as it's a diagonal, it's a positive. Then this will be negative, negative, or negative. Get started this 3. You will get the 2 times 2 minus negative 9. It will be 13. Then let's go here. You will get 2 minus 6 is negative 4, will be positive 4. Go to this. You will get negative 3 minus 4, negative 7. So this will be negative 7. Then let's go here. You will get 2 minus 3 will be negative 1. So let's write down positive 1 here. Then keep doing. You will get positive 8 here. For this 3, you will get negative 11. So positive 11. Then go this one. You will get 3 minus negative 2 is 5. Go here. You will get the 9 minus negative 1 is a positive 10. Then go last one. You will get 5. Then you will get the inverse of this matrix A equals 1 over 50. You need to switch. These two switch. These two switch. These two switch the position. So you have like this. Here's a 13, 8, 5 stay. But this one is a 4, here's 1. This part is a 5, this is a negative 7. This one is 11, here's negative 10. Make each element multiply by 1 over 50 so that you can get the 13 over 50, 1 over 50, 1 over 10, 2 over 25, and 4 over 25, negative 1 over 5, negative 7 over 50, 11 over 50, and 1 over 10. This will be the inverse of this matrix.